Students, today I am going to discuss question number 4 and 5 of exercise 7.5. Question number 4 is fill in the missing fraction. Now look at the first one. 7 by 10 minus missing fraction is equal to 3 by 10. So how will you find out the missing fraction? See, to find out the missing fraction, we shift this term or fraction to the left and this will be to the right. So when this fraction come to the left, it will be in minus, and when it will go to the right, it will be in plus. So it become 7 by 10 minus 3 by 10. Now 7 by 10 and 3 by 10, they are like fractions, right? Denominators are same. So while subtracting, we only subtract numerators and copy the denominator. Now 7 minus 3, 4, and denominator is 10 only. Hence the missing fraction is 4 by 10. Now look at the second one. Missing fraction minus 3 by 21 equal to 5 by 21. Now again to find out the missing fraction, here you need to shift this fraction to the right hand side. So when it will go to the right, it will be in plus, right? So it become 5 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21. Now again these two fractions are like fractions. So while adding, we add only numerators and copy the denominator. So 5 plus 3, 8, and denominator is 21. Hence the missing fraction is 8 upon 21. Third one is also similar to the second. You can see missing fraction minus 3 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6, right? So again to find out the missing fraction, we have to shift this fraction to the right hand side. So when it will go to the right hand side, we get 3 by 6 plus 3 by 6, which will become 6 by 6, and 6 by 6 is nothing but 1. So here you can write either 6 by 6 or you can write 1 as well. And now the last one, missing fraction plus 5 by 27 is equal to 12 by 27. Now here to find out the missing fraction, we can shift this fraction to the right hand side. So it will be 12 upon 27 minus 5 upon 27, right? As this fraction is given here in plus, so when it goes to the right hand side, it will be in minus. Now 12 upon 27 and 5 upon 27, again they are like fraction having same denominators, so we subtract only numerator. Now 12 minus 5, 7, and denominator will be copied down. So the missing fraction is 7 upon 27. So like this you can find out the missing fraction. Now coming to the question number 5. Children, I am going to read the question. You all please look into your textbook. The question number 5 is, Javed was given 5 upon 7 of basket of oranges. Then what fraction of oranges was left in the basket? See what is given? Fraction of oranges given to Javed. How much? 5 by 7. And we are asked to find out fraction of oranges left. So how many fraction of oranges left? Fraction of oranges left 1 minus 5 by 7. Now from where 1 will come? See, total is not given in this question. So we have to consider total as a 1. We have a 1 basket of oranges, right? So from 1 basket of oranges given 5 upon 7. Therefore oranges left 1 minus 5 upon 7. Now make a cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, you get 7 minus 5 upon 7. So it will be 2 upon 7. Hence fraction of oranges left 2 upon 7.